Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with your bi-weekly Apple analysis done at the end of the trading session dated 7th of March. I'm recording this video now 6:15 in the evening New York time on the 7th New York time. My daily chart remains the same. I still expect we're in a downwards trend that's got months probably to unfold. We're getting towards the middle of a third wave at primary degree, so I'm expecting in coming weeks to see downwards momentum increase for Apple. At this stage, I'm expecting we have primary 1 and 2 and primary 3 begin here, with intermediate 1, 2 and intermediate wave 3 extending. Within it, we have minor 1 and 2 maybe complete here, and minor 3 still in the early stages. At 365, minor wave 3 will reach equality in length with minor wave 1. Then we'll have a little fourth wave correction at minor degree, maybe to last about a week or so, and then more downwards movement. Intermediate wave 3 at 356 will reach 2.618, the length of intermediate wave 1. When that's done, we'll have a bigger fourth wave correction lasting a couple of weeks or so, maybe up to a month, and then more downwards movement to finally end primary wave 3, the target at this stage at 272, where it will reach 1.618, the length of primary wave 1. And when it's done, we'll see a longer lasting fourth wave correction at primary degree, which may last weeks to a couple of months. Primary 4 can't move into primary 1 price territory. The wave count is invalidated at primary degree with movement above 505.75. In the short to mid-term, while minor wave 3 is underway, no second wave correction within it may move beyond the start of its first wave. The wave count is invalidated at minor degree with movement above 484.94. I've drawn a best fit trend channel around intermediate wave 3, the movement of it so far. When minor wave 3 is complete within it, I'll redraw the channel using Elliott's technique. I'm expecting to see in the next couple of weeks or so for Apple an increase in momentum as exhibited by MACD beyond that which we have seen for primary wave 1. Let's have a look at the hourly chart where the start of minor wave 3 up here is this point up here. So within minor 3 we may have minute 1 and 2 complete and minute 3 just beginning. Within minute 3, I was expecting this minuet wave 1 to move lower. It didn't. There was a very short little fifth wave here. The second wave I was expecting to unfold, and it's remained well below the invalidation point for it and nicely contained within a best fit parallel channel. There's no ratio between the A and C waves within it, but it does subdivide nicely on the 5-minute chart to a completed zigzag. Within the start of minuet 3, we may have sub-minuet 1 complete. This is a nice 5-wave impulse on the 5 and 1 minute chart. And sub-minuet 2, WXY double combination correction is probably complete. The Y wave zigzag is complete on the 5-minute chart, and I think price will find resistance at the upper edge of this best fit channel I've drawn on the daily chart. So this is most likely where sub-minuet wave 3 may begin, and at 418.3 it will reach 1.618, the length of sub-minuet wave 1. Then we'll have a little fourth wave correction, which can't move back into 1 price territory, more downwards movement. Minuet wave 3 at 401.81 will reach equality in length with minuet wave 1. Another little correction for a fourth wave and more downwards movement. The target for minute wave 3 remains the same. At 375, it will reach 1.618, the length of minute wave 1. And this target, probably still a couple of weeks away. The first target for sub-minuet wave 3 is probably just 1 to 3 sessions away, and this should see quite a strong increase in downwards momentum if this wave count's correct. If downwards momentum does not increase for the next wave down, then I'm going to have to move the degree of labelling here probably all down 1 degree, and we may be seeing an extended first wave unfold within minor wave 3, which began here. That is possible. Either way, I'll be expecting downwards movement now for Apple for the next few sessions before next analysis, and I'm looking out for an increase in momentum coming up fairly soon. That's all for me today with your Apple analysis, and I hope that everyone's looking forward to a fabulous weekend.